In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine date and time columns in Excel. First, open the Excel workbook where you want to combine separate date and time columns. This method is useful when your date is stored in one column and your time is stored in another, and you want to bring them together into a single cell that Excel can recognize properly. For this example, the sample data is placed in cells A1 through B5. One column contains the dates and the other contains the times. Before entering any formula, it helps to quickly confirm that your data is organized correctly so the formula pulls from the right cells. Now click cell C1 and type date and time as your column header. This gives your new combined column a clear label and makes the worksheet easier to read. Next, click into cell C2. In that cell, type an equal sign, then A2, then a plus sign, and then B2. The formula should combine the value from the date cell with the value from the time cell. After typing it in, press enter. At this point, Excel has technically combined the date and time. However, you may only see the date displayed in the cell. If that happens, don't worry. That usually just means the cell format is currently set to show only the date, even though the time is also there in the value. To fix that, select cell C2 or select the entire C column if you plan to apply this to more rows. Then press Ctrl and 1 on your keyboard to open the Format Cells dialog box. Once the dialog box opens, go to the Number tab. From there, choose Custom. In the Type box, enter the format as month/day/year, followed by a space, then hour:minute, and then AM/PM. This tells Excel to display both the date and the time together in a readable format. After entering that format, click OK. Now you should be able to see the combined date and time in the same cell. Excel is returning one value that includes both parts, which is especially helpful for sorting, filtering calculations, and creating cleaner reports. At this stage, you can review the results in column C and confirm that the date and time are appearing together correctly. If everything looks right, then you're done. And that's it. You've successfully combined date and time columns in Excel using a simple formula and the correct cell formatting.